How to set default email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Mail and tap on it. You are now in the Mail settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, customize how your mail appears and works and more. Go to Default Mail app. As you can see, your default mail app is currently set to Gmail. If you want to change the default app, then select any other app from here. For example, Mail. Following these steps, you can easily set default email on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.